This is the Avaya B169 wireless conference phone. The B169 features wireless technology that allows the conference phone to be placed anywhere in the office. It also features crystal clear OmniSound 2.0 audio technology and an SD card slot for the option to record meetings. The B169 is ideal for meetings of up to 10 people and offers up to 60 hours of talking time. Included with the Avaya B169 wireless conference phone is the power cord, line cord, USB cord, as well as a charging cradle, battery, AC adapter, and base station. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.